Like, comment, share, subscribe, you hear me?
Yeah, you know it. All right. We added some celery. We added some carrots. Hey, let's add a little bit of thyme, some fresh thyme. We need fresh thyme. You feel me? Niggas know what thyme I'm on. Niggas know what thyme I'm on. Stop playing with me. Listen, this is herbs too. What's that herbal essence? This that thyme right here. Niggas know what thyme I'm on. You gotta have a fresh thyme though. How many pieces, chat? Hey, Drill House, chat, how many pieces of thyme? How many sticks? 1, 2. I got 4 right here. How many? 3? Alright. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna keep forgetting. 2 at the minimum. Alright, let's do 3. Let's do 3, y'all. Or should we do 4? Should we do 4? Should we do 4 or 3? Okay, good, Kurt. All right, keep me on point. Keep me on point with the camera, so make sure y'all clip. Shout out to the Team ZaZa clip gang, man. They outside. They be clipping shit up. All right, where we going with 4? Come on, chat. Oh, this is the first episode of Cooking with ZaZa. We here every Wednesday. Listen, make sure you stay in the chat. We leaving from here to pull up on my boy Kurt for the second episode of Behind the Curtains.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, you hear me?
Yeah, you know it.